Hey guys, today we're going to be following the first vehicle I see. Now, like and subscribe and watch the video. Okay, so that Audi is the first one I saw. Now, we need to use the exact color. I actually like this car. The only problem is the hitboxes of the steering wheel. Oi, shopping. Let me adjust my tools real quick. Okay, let's get started. By the way, I can't crash. So I will be going to the rails, and then go back. By the way, I'm working on a new Minecraft hardcore series on my third account, called Bronx. Or you can just find it on my main account called Brutal Car Crashes for 2.9. Okay, we should be good unless a troller comes and swerve his car like a drunk Russian driver in Omsk, Dogshit Street. Okay, the acceleration on this car is shit. Why does this Loki look like Russia? Well, that doesn't count as a crash, right? Only the window broke. All right, time to go back. Rate my driving skills. I broke my window. I broke my window again. We're at the town again. Okay, now I'm gonna look down, and then when I look up, I will use that vehicle. Yes, finally a good car. This is actually one of my favorite. Whoa, watch where you're going. Well, that was scary. I should slow down. Also, why did my render distance decrease? I'm using the power of data anyways. Okay, I don't think we're near. Okay, this is going really bad. Why did I jump? Anyways, I guess that's all. No, I'm not ending the video. I'm going back to the spawn. Okay, my render distance is looking good now. And I really hope no one crashes into me. Okay, that though isn't right, because I already reached the neighborhood. Also, fuck you, Mr. Okay, let's do it again. Okay, I think that's a Mercedes W124, but modded. So that means we have to use that one. Let me take a closer look first. Okay, that is indeed a 2007 Mercedes W124. Now let's get going. Okay, so this car sounds like my friend's car. I think we should be good. We just reached 160 kilometers. I just got rear-ended. Luckily, there's no damage. By the way, that player you are seeing got banned on YouTube. Back on the road. Let's keep going. Why is this car modded but incredibly slow? Whatever. I did not press the accelerator that hard anyways. Okay, we're ready. Okay, that doesn't count, right? Alright, let me just park my car. Okay, that's all for today, guys. See you next month.